For all O.ZRacing fans, I don't think this wheel needs any introduction. The Rally Racing, the timeless racing icon, is reborn. I think most of us have learned to love the rally racing in the 90s, when it started to dominate the world rally field. While it has maintained all of its distinctive, iconic design features, such as the big center disc, specific to a WRC gravel design, we can see that the design has been modernized a little bit, specifically on the spoke that is now overlapping on the center disc, making the wheel look even bigger than it actually is. The Rally Racing is available in both 4 and 5 holes in 3 different sizes: 17-inch, 18-inch, and 19-inch. 19-inch specifically is for vans and applications with a high max load. The Rally Racing is available in 2 different finishings: the dark graphite with the silver lettering, and the more iconic race white with the red lettering, which we all remember from WRC. The Rally Racing is now available in Hong Kong. I'm sure we will see it on the street very soon. If you want to get the rally feel for your car, please visit our configurator. And if you're interested in finding out more about the Rally Racing, please visit our website and YHI Hong Kong's Facebook page. Thank you.